are learning string in Java. Basically, text your name, a URL, or sentence. A log line. It's all string. In Java, string is a class, an object, not a primitive type. That means we get a lot of built-in methods to work with text easily. We use strings everywhere. Reading user input, reading messages, building file path and URLs, talking to APIs and databases, searching text, formatting receipt. You will touch string in almost every program. One important idea, strings are immutable. When you change a string, Java actually creates a new string
object,
instead of changing the actual string.
object.
The original stays the same. That's why we often store the result in a new variable. Creating strings. Literal vs new immutability. There are two common ways to create strings. The easy way is a literal with quotes. Java reuses identical literals from a shared string pool. The other is new string, which forces a fresh object, usefully not needed, and watch immutability to uppercase. Returns a new string. It doesn't modify the original. So for an example, let me go to IntelliJ IDE and run this code. So as you can see, it's showing me string A is hello, string B is hello. String A equal to B boot. Then it checks whether if they both are same and it returns true because they both same. So next string C is a new string object. Hello. So system out print A is equal to C. Literal vs new. So it should be false because see here hello hello. It's it's a wrong it's a new string. So they are checking like this. Then A equals C same text true. String yes Java. String up is to uppercase. System out original yes. Upper up. You can know what I'm trying to write in this code. But let's see a new one. What is a string pool? Okay, so the string pool is Java is a dedicated section of the heap memory where the Java Virtual Machine or JVM stores all unique strings, literals for reuse. In order to optimize memory usage and improve performance, when a string literal is created in a code, the JVM checks the string pool to see if an identical value already exists. If, if it does, the reference to the existing object is returned instead of creating a new one. And if it doesn't, the new string is added to the pool. This mechanism works because strings in Java are immutable, meaning their value cannot be changed after creation, making them safe to share between multiple references. The string is a populated at class loading time for string literals found in the compiled class. The heap unless explicitly added to the pool using the intern code method. By avoiding duplicate strings object, the string pool help reduce memory consumption and speed up string comparison operation, especially in applications that work heavily with repeated string values. So in our own words, we can say like if we put a code like uh, string A equal to Pragadish, string B equal to Pragadish, system out print A, then it the A and B stores uh, in the string pool. Then when I click system out print, it takes the details from it and it says in it. If it's not there, it will create a new one. Or if I want to modify a text, it doesn't modify the text in the actual data. It creates a new object and then it modifies it. The actual data is not touched. So it like this. So after you learn this, let's go on to some string methods. So first one is the length. Counts characters. Length returns how many characters are in the string. Letters, spaces, punctuation, all of it. This is great for input validation and for loop boundaries. Remember, indicates go from 0, starting at 0, not 1, to length minus 1. So for an example, let's type this code. This code. So if we revise it, package org example, which is from the package org example, public class main, we are choosing into the main class. Public state decoy main string args. This is the important code for all codes. String text subscribe. So we are using a string method in a in a very in an object called text, and it stores subscribe. So system out print ln text plus text. Now it will create a new object for this. After that, system out print length plus text length, which is 9. And this also creates a new object in the strings pool. So let's run it and see what it gives. And as I said, the actual data, which is the string subscribe, will not be changed in the string pool. It will create a new object and it stores the data inside. Like system out print, we are using text plus subscribe. This creates a new object. At length 9, this also creates a new object. Like that, it works. Strings pool works, and as you can see, it has written as text equal to subscribe, and it will show me the text length as expected.